I am manifesting that this video only reach to the people, those who are in really need of the lesson they need to hear and need to change something in their life, in the perspective or something in the surrounding or situation that they are in urge to and the universe want them to do. So don't skip and listen to this lesson. Universe, please give me. Okay, fine. I know you are very hardworking. You put your efforts to the fullest, but before completing it, you back out. Okay, so don't do that. I know it is very tough to keep continuing. I know it is very, very tough to keep continuing these things like again and again, again and again. Try करते रहना कोई एक चीज को पाने के लिए and अचानक से क्या होता है कि आप थक जाते हो and you back out and you say no, I give up. The one thing that universe wants to teach you the lesson, it's not the efforts, it's the patience and the faith. And also while doing the efforts and while working for that thing, you need to detach from the results. You are a very passionate person, but you need to be very wise in that. You need to be very grounded in that. You need to think like a queen or king. A king and queen doesn't give up when there is responsibility, when there is hurdles in the life. Their responsibility is never to give up on anything. उनका क्या होता है, they have the figure कि चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, hook and crook, I need to complete it. So you have to be in that energy. You have to be in that perspective. So that is the big lesson you need to learn. And if this message doesn't resonate to you right now, keep it with you. I am seeing that in the near future is going to have in such a situation in your life, so that you have to put this lesson in that life to make that possible. Whatever you do is doing for the highest good. It is for your good. It is for your future better. But never ever give up just before completing a cycle. Continue it. And वो कैसे कंटिन्यू होगा, जब आप रिजल्ट किस तरह से होगा, कैसे आना होगा, उसका जो रिजिडिटी और रेजिस्टेंस है ना, उसको छोड़ दोगे, देन यू विल बी हैविंग द बेस्ट आउटकम ऑफ एवरीथिंग यू डू. आई होप दिस message gets you. Please save it and say it to the people those who you think that they need it. Love you. Bye.